This is Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Yo, what's up Jamaica? It's your street reporter. Echo straight from the heart of the streets, bringing you the hottest, realest breaking news right now. Listen up. Beko Table Talk Food Awards 2020 vibe, sweet vibe, but who a benefit observer show off the glam. 26 Table Talk Food Awards, Spanking South Land, big crowd, pretty decor with African Serengeti tea and food boss. Chefs are shine, sponsors full up the place. Echo say, me love the culture, the vibe, the pride in with food, but hear me now, year after year are the same. Big name, same uptown crowd. Echo want see the man where you roast the best jerk on the can. Or the lady where you make the baddest manish water. Get him award too. Make the next award bring in true street flavor, because food culture for all are we, not just fancy tablecloth. Top Mario Deane Trial, justice or just a gesture. 3 police found guilty for Mario Deane death sentence. 1 year suspended, nobody has served time. The officer cry, but what about Mario mother tears all these years? Echo say, yo, when poor people see this, them lose faith. Justice can't just look like justice, it have to feel real. Echo now say prison always solve things, but what we show the nation when man life take and the punishments of lawmen for no badge, no protect wrong. For JPS license, real chance our same old story. Minister Vass said the JPS license soon done, and government want renegotiate better rates, more renewables. Jamaica people celebrate. Light bill too high, fee too long. Echo say, finally somebody a listen, but me want you don't talk big now then sign same old contract behind closed doors. People tired for pay out them last cent for light while JPS make billions. Echo watch, on the street I watch too. Give it clean energy, give it fear rate. No trick we again. Echo fake, I wild prospect, big money dreamer, environmental nightmare. United Island gas claim 7 billion barrels prospect offshore, but the company broke, need partner quick. Echo say, oil money nice, but who really go benefit? We waters, we environment, we fisherman them. Echo say, no sell we future for fast cash. Any deal must protect we sea, must employ we people, must build we community. Oil can't come and mash up we beach and leave we with empty pockets. Man, athletes run go foreign, sell out our survival. 2 medal winning Jamaican switch to Turkey. Some ball says sell out, some say smart move. Then Echo say, who can't cost the youth them? From them a suffer with poor pay, no support, weak system. I want to expect. Echo says, stop blame the athlete, start fix the system. Invest in with sports and with talent. Make we stars once stay. I can't tell people for star for loyalty. To Diddy Verdict, big man still answer to law. Diddy get guilty, pan man not charge. Transport for prostitution, but walk free pan the trafficking and racketeering. Some say the system soft pan fame. Echo say, no matter how big your name, you can't run from consequences. But this case show how fame twist justice sometimes. Part guilty, part free. Street I watch this and wonder who the law really serve. Dead politicians mouth, engage brain before you talk. Observe and lash the politicians. Too much cost, too much careless chat latest. Warmington fire outburst. Echo say, a time now for real leadership. Politicians, the street tired of the nice, the quarrel the show. Echo say, raise the level. Reason like leader, no like market vendor. Echo say, Echo attack it straight. Like food awards nice, but bring in the real street chefs. Like justice must feel just. No more empty gestures. Like JPS renegotiation, not trick the people. Like dream protect we see first. Like support we athletes, make them proud for stay. Like leaders, do better.
Back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean. Charles from another mouth, back on the ocean. BS from another mouth, back on the ocean. Back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean. Charles from another mouth, back on the ocean. BS from another mouth, back on the ocean. From London, New York, straight back a yard. The diaspora massive, we vice large. Big news, big vibes, big sound system. Every day you feeling still up on the rhythm. Light all yeah.